Once upon a time, deep in Willow Creek Forest, lived a busy, bustling beaver named Benny. Benny wasn't just any beaver. He was the chief builder of the grandest, strongest dam on. Whispering his dam made a peaceful pond where fish swam, ducks paddled, and dragonflies danced in the sun. Benny had built it. With sticks, stones, and gooey mud, was proud of every piece. He loved swimming in the cool water and nibbling fresh willow branches. Every day, he checked the dam. Every twig in place, every patch of mud firm. One autumn afternoon, a fierce storm hit the forest. Winds howled, rain poured, and the river roared. Benny huddled inside his cozy lodge, hoping his dam would hold. The next morning, he peeked out and gasped. A huge hole had torn through his beautiful dam. Water rushed out. The pond level dropped. Ducks looked worried. Fish swam in panic. Oh no. My dam, cried Benny, his heart sinking. His otter friend Oscar swam up. Benny, what will you do? The water's too low for us to dive. Benny stared at the big hole, the strong current, and his tiny paws. It felt impossible. For a moment, Benny wanted to give up. But then, he remembered Grandpa Beaver's words. Every big problem is just a bunch of small problems hiding. And every beaver has a clever brain. I won't give up, he declared. I'll use my clever beaver brain. Benny spotted a huge log stuck on the riverbank. It's too big to move by himself. Benny the Beaver gnawed a strong branch from a tree and used it as a lever, pushing with all his might. Inch by inch, the log rolled. It dropped right into the biggest part of the whole part one. Done, Benny grinned. Now, the smaller gaps. He found a pile of branches carried by the storm. Instead of stacking them, Benny wove them into a strong crisscross net. He pushed his woven patch into the remaining holes of the dam. Now mud. But the riverbed was too soft. Benny scooped the sticky mud with his paws and slapped it over the dam, sealing every crack. He used his flat tail to pat it down, smooth and watertight. Oscar swam by, wide-eyed. Wow, Benny, you found a way. By sunset, the dam was fixed. Not perfect, but strong and holding. Benny was tired but proud. He'd faced a big problem and solved it step by step. So what do we learn from Benny? That even big problems can be solved with small, clever steps. And a never-give-up heart. Be like Benny the Beaver. Be clever, be brave, and never give up.